Are you a content creator struggling to increase your earnings despite producing high-quality work? Do you find yourself spending countless hours on mundane tasks like research, editing, and promotion, leaving little time for the creative aspects of your work? If so, then the Build Collaborate AI Education Series is the ideal online course for you. In this course, we will teach you how to use artificial intelligence technology to streamline the content creation process, leaving more room to focus on monetization and lifestyle growth. With AI technology becoming increasingly prevalent in the content industry, now is the time to plan your AI strategy or risk becoming irrelevant. Together, we'll explore how AI is disrupting the content industry and how you can leverage this technology to improve your content business. Once you gain a good understanding of the available AI tools, we will show you how to quickly monetize your content with NFTs, tipping, and social rewards technology. Enroll now, and we will provide you with weekly access to our premium content platform to consume all the AI-related information and training you will need to succeed. Students will also benefit from web-based customer support, free Pamperme Network membership, marketing support to promote AI content projects, free AI tools directory access, free NFT listing and promotion, as well as access to the Build Collaborate Creator Fund. Accelerate your AI knowledge while boosting your content earning. Please follow the link in the video description for enrollment information.